So, what is chiasmus? Well, chiasmus comes from a Greek word meaning crossed. It refers to a grammatical structure that inverts a previous phrase. That means you say something very similar, but in the next phrase, you flip it around. For example, never let a fool kiss you, or a kiss fool you. This is the most beautiful example. Flowers are lovely, love is flower like. Again, there is a reverse order of the words in the next phrase. What you said previously, you said something in reverse order in the next phrase. So ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Right? So it's quite emotional chiasmus here. So such type of reverse order, it is called as chiasmus. But when such types of chiasmus occur in prose form, in prose, right? So that would be called as anti-metabole. So what chiasmus in poetry would become anti-metabole in prose. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for tuning into this channel.